Attens Flex are a range of all-in-one belted pads designed to manage heavy incontinence. They are available in a range of sizes and absorbency levels. Before fitting Attens Flex, it is important that you measure your hips and waist and use the larger of the two to decide which size is correct for you. Open the product fully, taking care to open each belt separately. Gently cup and fold the pad lengthways, making sure the leakage barriers stand up. Place the end with the belt towards the back of your body and use the blue hook to secure the belt around your waist. Ensure the pad is cupped to form a bowl shape. Gently pull the pad through from back to front and pull it up high into your groin for a snug fit. Smooth out the pad and pull it up towards the belt. Finally, attach the blue hooks on either side. Before changing, always check the wetness indicator. If it has disappeared over half the length of the pad, we recommend you change the product. Do you have any further questions? Don't hesitate to contact us.